Hello guys, so now we're going to solve the yellow cross from diagonal point of view. So you can see like this properly positioned, orange and green. There is no problem position. Pink and green. Here's pink and green. Here is orange and blue. So here is orange and blue. So we can see that this and this should be swapped. Orange and blue, orange and blue, pink and green, pink and green. Okay, so this two needs to be swapped. This is okay. Okay, properly positioned. What you do is, as long as you put your yellow face on the upside, the position doesn't matter. So just put it like this, put the yellow side on the top, and perform right yellow 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 3 times you perform right yellow. Now spin the cube right. Then perform the left yellow 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So now it must have been adjacent. Okay, if not properly positioned, adjacent. Let's rotate for better view. Okay, green orange, blue pink, okay, and green pink. Okay, so green pink, blue orange. Okay, one more time. Okay, so blue orange. This needs to be swapped. Blue orange, blue orange, green orange, green orange. Okay, so green pink, blue pink. Okay, it's adjacent now. So now put this two needs to be swapped. So put this on the right hand side and then perform right yellow 3 times. Okay, now spin it right, then perform the left yellow 3 times. Okay. Now it must be properly positioned, I think. So green orange, okay, green pink, done, blue pink, done, this is done, blue orange, done.